So it is Earth Day and we are at Price Nature Center in Saginaw, Michigan, one of my favorite locations. And like I said, it's Earth Day, so this is one of the places that's given to me a lot, you know, mushroom wise. Cool place that I've been able to take my kids. So I'm gonna do my part today and pick up trash along the way, you know. So here with the homie Nick. I'm sure you guys have seen him in one of my other videos and his lovely family. So let's get it.
Let's get it. Earliest memories being outside, man. I was out here. The whole sky was covered in bats.
What?
Yeah, some summer nights you come out here, the bats are just thick.
Good old Price. It's sad that they don't do as much as they used to, as far as, you know, but
was that Max's birthday?
At least it's still taken care of.
I had one of the girls' birthdays out here one year.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's
Ugh. That's some good old fresh water.
Indiana Jones pilot.
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, that water good.
Good water as far as well water goes.
Man, that's some good water right there.
I'm telling you, Largo Springs, man.
That's exquisite water. So they got a beautiful playground here. This won't be my first time documenting Price Nature Center because, as you can see, it's not in bloom yet. So it really won't do it justice today, showing you guys just how beautiful this park is. But you'll be able to get an understanding. But yeah, so they got this nice playscape.
Yeah, once you get an appreciation for this park, it's always beautiful.
Yeah. I like it too because there's like different, like in the front there's heavy pines. Back here is all birch trees, so I like to try to check back there every now and again for, you know, fire starter and chaga and stuff like that. So yeah, nice pavilion if you want to have a birthday party. They say you have to call ahead and rent it, but usually, you know, you could just sneak in here, tell people you're gonna be here.
I think I paid like $30 to rent it.
Yeah, so my man said it's only about $30. So, but yeah, this is like the start. So you can hop on the trail here or over there, and there's an extra trail or two over that way. But yeah, you guys will see what's going on. All right, so right here is called a birch polypore mushroom. Okay, so with these, they were used back in the day as bandages, antiseptics. You could grind this down and make it a paste, which is an antibacterial paste to be exact. These could be used to make fire starters and hold your fire and walk throughout the forest as well. So if you don't know, birch polypores, magnificent for mankind.
How about that it was found on the oldest known person?
I'd see the ice, man. And the extra tidbit, yup, I almost forgot it was found on the, OG in the, what was it, the Bronze Age. Yup. He had some strung around his neck and in a, like a satchel. So, yeah, good survival 101.
Bulldog, bro.
Oh, looks like someone was attempting to clean up and left the trash bag, so I'll take care of that. Deer Run Trail. Run!
I guess so.
A peace offering. Has it expired?
It was regular litter, but it's not.
Either way, we're gonna take care of it.
Bob, we just got up here.
Way up.
Like I'm young or something. Can't keep doing all these stairs, buddy.
Up and down them stairs, yeah. Up and down, up and down.
Come on, guys.
Some couple plastic bottles over there. I suppose I can jump over it.
Jump over there?
Yeah. Why not? Why not, I guess.
You want to?
Forky. One piece of trash on the way. Hasn't been much trash, surprisingly, but that's good. That's slight jump. little slight, you know, spotted, snag it, clean up on Earth Day. If you don't know, you know, get yourself familiar with hashtag spotted snag it, one of my local cleanup initiatives in my hometown. Yeah, now I gotta jump back over. Hey, hey, and we got the trash.
Thank you.
I didn't know that this had a nice little camping section that was low key, so I'm gonna do some stealth camping I think this summer in this spot. I got the well over there, firewood outside, and it's so low key. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely camp out here this summer. I got to. You with it? You said you? Yeah. Definitely tack that on the calendar. Oh, and it's firewood on deck. Yep, just like you said, bro. And bathrooms. Oh man, I'm about to have a field day. I live out here. Where do you live at? Price Nature Center. Come look for. Yep. All right. These are all the camp rules. I didn't even know there was 25 total sites here. So I'm gonna try to set up something in the hiking group that I set up here in Saginaw, and we're gonna try to make this a thing. Yeah, try to get people out here. Primitive living, foraging, all that good stuff.
Bringing no walking system.
Lots of pop bottles so far. I see some trash up ahead I'm gonna pick up.
Cache.
What are we? Maybe.
There's a camouflage geocache right there behind them bricks. Is there a notepad in it?
Oh,
Yeah. Yep, there's a little book to put in there. Look at it.
Good find.
Nice. So you can write in the book. There's a log. Look.
Oh, that's cool.
Can I see, Daddy?
When was the last time it was found?
What is that?
31118's that one.
Uh-oh, we dropped
no.
one.
Can you get that, sweetie?
That was the last
That was
one,
the
huh?
last one. Too.
2018, this hasn't been seen or
it started
touched.
in 2012.
That's pretty cool.
Or at least no one's wrote in it.
This geocache box hasn't been found since 2018. It was started in 2012, and I am going to leave my business card in there along with a quarter. And yeah, put it back for the next person. Let's get it.
Okay.
You find you some birch like this, good kindling. Keep that. Also, this is for survival situations. Don't think I'm just saying pick this up and take it just cause, you know what I'm saying? Just giving y'all, you know, little tidbits as we go along.
My college years.
See, like, how you gonna tell me what the
Right. We had a whole course on it.
We had a whole course on mushrooms at school, bro. It's an elective. Somebody left their nice old
dipper.
Yeah.
Nice.
Take care of that for you, guy. Nice walking sticks in there.
Nice walker.
Yeah, them some nice ones. Look at this nice Capri Sun someone also left.
Cruiser juice box.
Hey, I'll take that for you. No problem.
Yeah, that is bad.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right. Earth Day 2023. Give me a trash bag full of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yep. And to cap off the day, one more piece of trash. Why not? You know? Adventures with Hayes, y'all. Come get y'all some.